Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on ASUS ROG Xbox Li X. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, press the Xbox button right here and then select network. You're gonna see the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select the one that you want to connect to. If you want to connect to it automatically, hit this checkbox, then tap connect, and then provide the password to your network if prompted. After that, you'll be connected to the Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.